Welcome to Costa del Golfo, Airbnb in Costa del Golfo, Sunset Cafe. I got tears in my eyes. This is where we're putting the house. And we have our excavator starting to flatten out this area. And we are going to build here. So I'm really emotional right now. So, yep, just documenting as it goes. Glad you could be with us to see this moment. This is a long time waiting. I've been planning on this for over 20 years. So we're very excited. So I guess this could be officially the groundbreaking. But thank you for tuning in to Costa del Golfo, Airbnb, and Costa del Golfo Sunset Cafe. Please like and subscribe. And visit our next video to see our progress. Thank you.